From bad to worse, Iraq's ongoing struggle for stability. From bad to worse, Iraq's ongoing struggle for stability continues to be a pressing concern. The country has faced numerous challenges, including political instability, sectarian tensions, and the threat of terrorism. The lives of millions of Iraqis have been disrupted, with many forced to flee their homes and seek refuge in safer areas. Despite these challenges, there are brave men and women in Iraq who are tirelessly working to rebuild their nation and restore peace. It's important to recognize the resilience and determination of the Iraqi people in their pursuit of stability and prosperity. The international community plays a crucial role in supporting Iraq's efforts, providing humanitarian aid, and helping to create conditions for stability. Iraq's rich history, diverse culture, and natural beauty make it a country worth preserving and protecting. The road to stability may be long and challenging, but the resilience of the Iraqi people gives hope for a brighter future. From bad to worse, Iraq's ongoing struggle for stability reminds us of the importance of peace, unity, and international support. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and insights on global issues.